Alright, so guys, I have just taken shower and come out and I completed the puja because you guys saw that I was making laddus for Hanumanji because today is 8th of April and because of lockdown, no sweet shops are open, so I made homemade laddus and I'm going to show you how I have done that. Okay, so the oak is almost warm. Now we will be adding ghee to it. You must be wondering, why am I using this copper vessel? Because it's for god food, so that's why. So I think it's become really hot, so I need to switch off the gas. And yes, I'll add the ghee. Okay, so I've added 6 teaspoons of ghee, a couple of cardamoms and 2 bay leaves, and I am waiting to add the soaked dry fruits that you can see. I've kept it here, so we'll add, and so that it can add a nice fragrance to this one. This color so that it can become little orange saffron color. Okay, and one thing I forgot to tell you, that I have added sugar free in it. So if you want, you can add sugar, but since I don't use sugar, so I thought I would also offer God something healthy, which is with sugar free. Okay, so this is the dum aloo that I have cooked for dinner. I think I have gained tremendous cooking skills in this couple of days, and it's really lovely. It's looking really yummy. I'm gonna try this.